Hello guys, you welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare commercial cupcake. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, please. See you in my next video. Preparing this commercial cupcake, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. I have sugar. I'm using 1 cup of sugar, then 1 cup of vegetable oil. This vegetable oil, I'm using power oil. This is the power oil that I'm using for my oil. Then I'm using 2.5 all-purpose flour, then 4 eggs, then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then a pinch of salt. Then this is my commercial pan for my cupcake. Thank you. I'll start by breaking my egg. I'll use another plate to break the egg in case I have a spoiled egg. And I'll put it back in the plate that I'm going to use. I'm doing this to be sure of my egg. Good, they are all perfect. So I'll mix my egg very well. I'll add my flavor, adding 2 cups here. I'm using butterscotch flavor. I'll mix it again. The next thing now is to add my vegetable oil. Adding my sugar, 1 cup here. Must make sure that my sugar dissolves very well before adding my flour. So I will allow it for at least 2 minutes for it to dissolve. I'll now sieve my flour. I'll add the pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'll sieve it together. That's why I save it, because there are some lumps inside. So that when I am coupling it, there will be no lumps. So it's now fine to go. It's good to go now. So looking at it, the sugar is dissolved now. See, very smooth. So I'll start by adding the flour, bit by bit. Gently. You couple it very well, no lumps. Gently. This is my commercial pan. So I'll take my pepper and put it inside. If you don't have the pepper, you can use it like this without the pepper. But since I have the pepper, I have to add it. With this pepper, you don't need to add oil again or butter for it to come out easily. Good. Then I'll start by pouring in my cream. So it's ready now to go into the oven. I've already preheated my oven. So it's ready now to enter into the oven. Yeah. Let's check whether it is ready. Take a clean spoon, then place it right inside. It comes out clean. That means the cake is ready. So we remove it from there. Thank you. The commercial cupcake is ready. See how it is.
Grandma, the cake is easy. Thank you. See you in my next video.